Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Facebook to Google Authenticator. So first, open up the Facebook application itself. Well then, you need to simply tap on your profile, go to setting, and on Meta Account Center, go to password and security. And swipe down and you will see account setting. So hit on password and security once again. Then simply tap on two-factor authentication. Then select Facebook. And down below, you will see a recommended authentication app. So just tap the authentication app. Then you will see copy key and QR code. So to view QR code, you need to tap on this view barcode. And you will see the QR code just like that. Now you will simply need to scan this, or you can simply copy key this and go to your authenticator application. I'm using Google Authenticator. So just simply add the code, or you can scan, or you can also enter the setup key. So I'm just going to enter the setup key. Here we go. And code name maybe Facebook. Now this will start generating code to your Facebook. And also you will need to input this same code. All right, I'm just going to copy this and go back to this Facebook once again. Go ahead and tap on next, enter the code and hit on next. So do this fast as possible. And there you go, you have turned on the authentication. So this is how you should add Google Authenticator for your Facebook, and it's that simple. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.